Instructions: how to create a Check Google Indexing task to check whether your links are indexed in Google. Follow these steps in the SpeedyIndex control panel. Go to the Task Creation section in the left menu. Select Create a Task, choose the type of service. At the top of the form, click on the tab that says Check Indexing of Links. Step 1. Choose a search engine in the Search Engines section. Select Google. Note, Google checks are done using two different searches, Site URL and URL. Step 2. Specify the task name in the box marked Task Title. Write a name that clearly describes this task. Step 3. Add links in the section called Links for Processing. You can add a list of links in one of two ways. Manually, put the links into the text box. Each link must be on a new line. By file, click the Select File.txt button and upload a text file with a list of links. Important: the system only supports .txt files up to 100,000 links. The system will automatically remove duplicate lines. Create a task. When you have filled in all the fields, you will see the Create button at the bottom of the page. Click on it. Click it to start the check. Tip: before creating a task, check that you have enough limits on your Check Indexing of Links balance. This is displayed in the top panel.